All right, students, welcome back. In the last video we left off, we had just drawn our scatter plot, and letter B says determine whether there's a positive linear, a negative linear correlation, or no correlation. Notice that my dots are going down in a straight line fashion from left to right. And since these dots are going down, it is negative linear because they form a line and they're going down from left to right. So negative linear correlation. And now I want to calculate the correlation coefficient R. To do that, you go to your calculator. You want to go to stat. You want to, no, I am so sorry. Yes, so I'm sorry, stat. Let me write this down. You're going to go stat. You're going to go over to calc. And this is linear regression. So you want to hit number 4. So go down here to number 4. And your X list is L1. Your Y list is L2. Frequency list, I think that's supposed to be clear. We're not storing it, so we just hit calc. I hit it one too many times. And I want to find the calculation coefficient R, which is right there at the bottom, not R squared. It's asking for R. So my answer is negative 0.99, and round that up, you get a 0.8. And then find an equation for the regression line for the data. That's right here on this same screen. A is like the slope, y equals mx plus b, but they use y equals ax plus b. So your equation, remember when we did this, we had y hat instead of y, equals ax, but a, and we're rounding it to 3 decimal places, is going to be negative 2.755x plus b, and b is 96.139. So you can find R, you can find A and B to write your equation all right there on that screen under stat calc number 4. All right, so let's do another one. Turn the page. Here we go. Put this first column into L1, put your second column into L2. So if I go to stat edit, let's clear out our lists. Clear and down. L1, let me put it down here, is 10.5, 8.8, 13.4, 12.5, 18.8, 10.3, 7.0, 15.6, and 16.0. And that's our rainfall, and bushels per acre is our yield, 50.5, 46.2, 58.8, 59.0, 82.4, 49.2, 31.9, 76, and 78.8. And there we go. I want to make another scatter plot. Go to second stat plot. Always hit number 1. Scatter plot is the first picture. We entered our data into L1 and L2. So just to make it appear, we hit zoom 9. And now I'm going to draw, starting about right here. These two look right on top of each other. Then you kind of come here with 2. Up here with 2, and then 1 way up there. And if I label my axes, you'll see rainfall is on the x-axis and yield is on the y-axis. Is this positive linear, negative linear, no correlation? It looks to me like if I put my pencil down, they all pretty much fall on a line that's going up from left to right. So this is positive linear. And then to find R, we go to stat, we go to calc number 4. So this is stat over to calc number 4, right there. L1, L2, nothing in the frequency list, nothing in the storing. So go to calculate, hit enter, and our R is down there at the bottom of the screen, which is 0.9808. So 0.9808, and our equation is right there on that same screen. So AX plus B would be 4.379X plus B, which is 4.267. Next page. I think this is the last page. Here we go. Give me 1 second. Now I'm giving you R, and I want you to find the coefficient of determination. The coefficient of determination is R squared. So all you're going to do, hold on, let me get to a clear screen, is you're going to square R, which is 0.837. Hit the squared button, and your answer is it says 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places would be 0.701. So what percentage can be explained by the relationship between the two variables? What percentage? All you do is you move it over 2 places, and this is 70.1%. And what percentage is unexplained? The unexplained is 100% minus whatever you just got above, which is 70.1%. And you get 100 minus 70.1, and you get 29.9%. And then the last question, in order for applicants to work for the Foreign Service Department, they must take a test in the language of the country where they plan to work. The date below shows the relationship between the number of years that applicants have studied a particular language and the grades that they received on the proficiency exam. Find the standard error of estimate. We're looking for S. This is a hard one. It's hard to find on your calculator, but I'll try to go nice and slow. So first thing we got to do is enter these into L1, and we got to enter these into L2. So go to Stat Edit. Let's clear out our list from the previous problem. And it looks like, let me go this way, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 3. And then in my L2 column, 61, 68, 75, 82, 73, 90, 58, 93, and 72. So I entered those into L1 and L2. Now you're going to do what's called a test. So you're going to go to Stat. You're going to go over to Test. So let me write this down. Stat. You're going to go over to the word Test, and you're going to go down till you get to, Lin Reg T-Test. Lin, L-I-N, Reg, R-E-G, oh, not Ling, Lin Reg T-Test. So you're doing a linear regression is basically what you're doing. And on my calculator, it's letter F. So we go there, and we used L1 and we used L2. And we want to choose the one that is not equal to 0, where it says B and P. So hit not equal to 0, go down to calculate, and your S is right there at the bottom of your screen, which is 4.578. And we are done with the review packet. Congratulations. So, a couple of things. This is the last time that all of you will ever hear my voice, so thank you. It's been a honor and a privilege working with you this semester. I'm sorry that circumstances conspired against us, but I appreciate all your hard work, and I thank you for all that you've done to help make this a great semester. I thank you for your resilience and your hard work and your dedication. I missed you all along the way, and this is how I feel right now, so I'm sorry, and I missed you all so much. I wish you all the best of luck in all your future endeavors. I wish you the best of luck at your next school or wherever life may take you. I hope all of you stay safe and stay healthy. And for the last time ever at Valley Forge, as I will be no longer working at Valley Forge. So for my last time ever, as I tear up a little bit, this is my last time telling you to study hard, not hardly study. I need all of you to do really, really well on the final exam. The final exam, just so you know, I posted it online, but the final exam is on Friday, May 15th from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. So there is your final exam date and time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. But again, for the last time at Valley Forge, study hard, not hardly study. Thank you for everything. Take good care of yourselves. It's been an honor and a privilege. Take care.